So something strange is happening on YouTube right now. I've seen channels in all different industries and niches absolutely blow up on YouTube over the past year, and that's because YouTube's algorithm has significantly changed. There are things happening on YouTube that make it possible for you to blow up on YouTube even if you have a super tiny channel. And so in today's video, I want to talk about the reasons why you need to start a YouTube channel or take your YouTube channel more seriously in 2025 if you want to really grow. Because if you don't take advantage of this amazing opportunity that YouTube is putting in your lap right now, it may be too late. So without further ado, let's jump into the reasons. Okay, so reason number one that you need to start taking your channel more seriously in 2025 is because YouTube no longer requires you to create super polished and high retention editing videos in order to grow. And so this means that YouTube is now preferring videos that are more low effort and authentic. And so this allows creators like you and me to create videos that don't take us as long. So we can literally create a video within 2 hours and post it, and that video can bring in thousands of views. Now, as a result, this makes it so much more possible to create more videos, and so you can definitely stick to a schedule of at least one YouTube video per week. And based on what I've seen, you need at least one YouTube video a week if you really want to grow. Now, there is, of course, a catch to this rule, and that is that the videos that you post, even though they can be low effort and more minimalistic, they still need to have the proper topics and be popular enough to get that much attention. And so that brings me to reason number two that you need to get serious on YouTube in 2025, and that is because anybody can post viral videos. So the thing is that today it's way easier to post viral videos because we as small creators get to rely on historical data to see which videos have performed well, and then we can go ahead and create similar videos on our channels, which also have the chance to blow up. And so what I mean by this is when you go onto YouTube and you just scroll through your home feed, if you're anything like me, you probably live on YouTube. So you've probably seen several videos in your specific industry that pop up again and again and again. So to give you an example of this, in my industry, which is the YouTube growth industry, I saw a lot of videos that talked about a new video style that was taking over YouTube, and it was more particular editing style. And so I saw this trending topic pop up several times, and I decided to create a similar video on my own channel. And that video to this date is the best performing video on my channel. And so I did this several more times where I did research on YouTube and I found popular topics and I recreated them for my own channel. And lo and behold, all of these videos did well. Now, of course, it's not going to happen every single time, and some of your videos are going to get a couple of hundred views, whereas other videos are going to get a couple thousand of views. But the point being that if you focus on posting topics that have already been proven to work on other people's channels, the chances of that video popping off on your channel as well increases drastically. And so that, my friend, means that you can also create viral videos. Now, speaking of viral videos, I have created a free viral YouTube video checklist that you can download in the description below. Now, this checklist gives the 9 key elements that almost all viral videos have. I took my viral videos or semi-viral videos, the videos that have thousands of views, and I looked at what elements I included in those videos. And I also looked at other viral videos on YouTube to create this checklist. And so what you can do with this checklist is you can literally go ahead and tick the boxes as you plan and record your videos to increase the chances of these videos going viral. So as I mentioned, if you want that, you can grab it in the description down below. But don't leave yet, because the next reason is probably the most important reason, and I don't want you to miss it. So instead, what I'll do is at the end of this video, I'm going to remind you to grab the guide so you don't forget. But please watch this next reason first before you go. And that is that human-centered content is now booming. So the thing is, with AI coming into the scene about a year and a half ago, even more, People have now gotten used to robot written and robot created content. And we're all sick and tired of it, right? You don't want to watch content that a robot has written. You want that authenticity that a real person can provide. And so this brings a unique opportunity to us content creators to create content that people can truly relate to. In other words, content that showcases your personality, it showcases your quirks, it showcases you as a person and your unique beliefs. I can't tell you how many of the clients that I've gotten with YouTube have told me that the reason that they bought my digital products or they make use of my services is because they like me. They like the person portrayed behind the video. And this means that you can literally make money from YouTube and other platforms by just being yourself. Now that brings me to the fourth reason that you need to take YouTube more seriously in 2025, and that is because you can now build a personal brand that can turn into a YouTube business later on. So over the past 5 months on YouTube, I have made over $750 by selling my own digital products. Plus, I've also gotten a retainer client who will be paying me over $1,000 per month to be their YouTube strategist. And none of this would have been possible without me starting a personal brand first. So I literally took that first step and I started a personal brand. I posted my first couple of videos and not all of them went well. I'm going to be honest, it was difficult getting started, but I persevered, I continued posting, and as a result, I now get to reap the benefits. And I know the benefits are just going to grow and grow over time. Now, the thing that I love most about YouTube is that you can grow it gradually. You do not have to quit your job and completely go in with a blindfold and just hope that your YouTube channel is going to succeed. Instead, what you can do is you can grow a YouTube channel while you have your full-time job. And so that way you don't have to stress about rent, you don't have to stress about having food to eat every month, you won't have to stress about paying your bills because you get to keep your job while building a personal brand on YouTube that can eventually grow into a YouTube business. And as you saw now, it doesn't even have to take that long. I mean, my channel took me about 5 months once I started to go all in on my YouTube channel, which was about July of last year. Well, almost last year. But when I started getting serious, it took me about 5 months to grow my channel to a point where I am now getting paid from my channel, and that excludes YouTube AdSense. I have now finally reached the 4,000 watch hours, so I'll be getting paid by YouTube's partnership program also very soon, but the $750 plus the $1,000 per month is excluding YouTube AdSense. So now you can see what is possible with your YouTube channel. You can also start making a real living from your channel. And it all starts with you taking that first step into growing a personal brand and sticking to the plan. Now again, in order to grow your channel, you're going to have to start posting videos that can gain thousands of views. And for that, you can download the free viral YouTube video checklist in the description below. Now, earlier in this video, I talked about low effort videos or more minimalistic style videos. And so if you want to learn more about what I mean when I say low effort videos, then I created a YouTube video all about it right over here so you can go and watch it. That's it from me. I can't wait to see your channel grow dramatically in 2025. Bye for now.